Improving communication skills involves active listening, clear articulation, and the ability to adapt your message to your audience. Practice speaking confidently, maintain eye contact, and use appropriate body language. Enhancing vocabulary, seeking feedback, and engaging in regular conversations can also refine your skills. Consistent practice and mindfulness in interactions are key to effective communication. Why communication matters. Communication is crucial for personal and professional success. Unlocking your potential. Mastering communication skills can help you build stronger relationships, achieve your goals, and make a positive impact. Clear and concise. Effective communication is easily understood by the receiver. It is direct and avoids unnecessary jargon or ambiguity. Two-way interaction. It involves active listening and responding appropriately. It's not just speaking, but understanding the other person's perspective. Achieving goals. Communication is successful when it achieves its intended purpose, whether to inform, persuade, or build relationships. Verbal communication. Spoken words, tone of voice, and language used. Nonverbal communication. Body language, facial expressions, and gestures. Written communication. Emails, letters, reports, and other written documents. Visual communication. Images, charts, graphs, and presentations. Understanding. Active listening goes beyond simply hearing words. It involves understanding the speaker's message and perspective. Empathy. It fosters empathy by allowing you to connect with the speaker's emotions and experiences. Stronger relationships. Active listening builds trust and strengthens relationships by showing genuine interest and respect. Nonverbal communication plays a significant role in how messages are received and interpreted. Body language, facial expressions, gestures, and tone of voice can convey emotions, attitudes, and intentions. Distractions like background noise, interruptions, and multitasking can hinder clear communication. Physical barriers like distance, language differences, or cultural norms can create misunderstandings. Assumptions, biases, and preconceived notions can lead to misinterpretations and misunderstandings. Precise language. Choose clear and concise words. Active voice. Use active voice for directness. Concise sentences. Limit each sentence to 1 to 2 clauses. Active listening is the foundation of empathy. Pay attention to both the speaker's words and their nonverbal cues. Try to understand the speaker's perspective and emotions, even if you don't agree with them. Show your empathy through verbal and nonverbal cues, such as nodding, making eye contact, and using empathetic language. Clear and concise. Choose your words carefully and avoid jargon. Speak in a way that is easy to understand. Active listening. Pay attention to what others are saying and ask clarifying questions. This shows you're engaged. Practice regularly. Find opportunities to speak in front of others, whether it's in a group setting or one-on-one. Body language. Project confidence through posture, eye contact, and gestures. Active listening. Nodding, leaning in, and reflecting show genuine engagement. Touch and proximity. Be mindful of personal space and use touch appropriately. Clarity and conciseness. Avoid jargon and write in simple, direct language. Proofreading and editing. Take the time to review your work for errors in grammar and spelling. Targeted audience. Consider the reader's background and adjust your tone accordingly. Constructive input. Feedback helps us understand how our communication is being received and identify areas for improvement. Growth and development. By seeking and acting on feedback, we can refine our communication skills and become more effective communicators. Hearing is passive, merely registering sounds. Listening is active, involving comprehension and engagement. Active listening fosters genuine connections and understanding. Deep breaths. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Positive self-talk. Focus on your strengths. Practice. Rehearse your conversation. Active listening. Practice truly understanding what others are saying, not just waiting to speak. Empathy and respect. Show genuine interest in others' perspectives and value their opinions. Clear and concise. Express yourself clearly and avoid jargon, ensuring others grasp your message. Cultural sensitivity. Understanding and respecting different cultural norms and values is crucial for effective communication. Language barriers. Using clear and concise language, employing visual aids, and utilizing translation tools can overcome language differences. Nonverbal communication. Gestures, facial expressions, and body language can vary significantly across cultures, requiring careful interpretation. Understanding emotions. Recognize and interpret your own emotions and those of others. Managing emotions. Control your impulses and reactions to communicate effectively. Empathy. Put yourself in the shoes of others to build rapport and trust. Video conferencing. Video conferencing allows for face-to-face communication even when geographically separated. It fosters a more personal connection, promotes nonverbal cues, and enhances clarity. Instant messaging. Instant messaging tools enable rapid exchange of information, ideal for quick updates, sharing files, and collaborating in real time. They streamline communication and offer efficient responses. Online platforms. Online platforms facilitate webinars, presentations, and training sessions, expanding reach and accessibility. They offer a collaborative space for knowledge sharing and engagement. Storytelling is an essential communication skill, particularly for conveying complex information in a way that resonates with people. Stories help audiences connect with information on an emotional level, making it more memorable and persuasive. Open dialogue. Encourage open and honest communication among team members, fostering an inclusive environment. Clear roles. Establish well-defined roles and responsibilities, promoting clarity and reducing miscommunication. Active listening. Practice active listening skills to ensure everyone's perspectives are heard and understood. Feedback loops. Implement regular feedback mechanisms for constructive criticism and continuous improvement. Practice makes perfect. Regularly engage in conversations and presentations, even if it's just in front of a mirror. Focus on your strengths and past successes. Remind yourself of times when you communicated effectively. Seek feedback from trusted individuals. Their constructive criticism can help you identify areas for improvement. Practice makes perfect. Practice your speech multiple times, both aloud and in front of a mirror, to build confidence and polish your delivery. Connect with your audience. Maintain eye contact and use natural gestures to connect with your listeners and keep them engaged. Show your passion. Be enthusiastic and passionate about your topic. Your energy will be contagious and inspire your audience. Storytelling. Engage your audience with compelling narratives that connect emotionally. Focus on benefits. Highlight how your message directly addresses the needs and desires of your audience. Clarity and brevity. Concisely communicate your ideas with clear language and logical arguments. Active listening. Listen attentively to understand the other person's perspective. Empathy. Try to see the situation from their viewpoint. Clear communication. Express your own needs and concerns directly. Collaboration. Work together to find a solution that benefits everyone. Active listening. Practice focusing on the speaker, making eye contact, and using verbal cues like yes or I see. Summarizing and paraphrasing. Repeat back what the speaker said in your own words to confirm understanding. Asking clarifying questions. Ask questions to ensure you comprehend the message and encourage further discussion. Mindful listening. Be fully present, minimize distractions, and avoid interrupting. Conversations. Engage in meaningful conversations with family, friends, and colleagues. Practice active listening and ask open-ended questions. Feedback. Seek feedback from others on your communication style. Ask for constructive criticism and suggestions for improvement. Presentations. Volunteer to present in group settings, even if it's just a brief update or a quick idea share. Progress. Improved confidence in expressing ideas. Understanding. Effective listening and comprehension. Clarity. Concise and impactful communication. Relationships. Stronger connections with others. Stories from everyday people who improved their communication skills can be incredibly motivating. It shows that anyone can enhance their communication abilities with effort and practice. From improving relationships to achieving career goals, sharing these stories can inspire your audience to embark on their own communication journeys. For example, you could showcase someone who overcame public speaking anxiety, or a team that improved collaboration through better communication. Mastering communication. The journey to better communication is a lifelong pursuit. Remember to be patient, persistent, and open to feedback. Daily practice. Continue practicing communication skills daily through active listening, self-reflection, and seeking opportunities to engage with others. Growth mindset. Embrace each interaction as a learning opportunity to refine and improve your communication abilities.